Hi, this is Six String Steve. Welcome to my channel. Here's how you change your brake light bulb and your signal bulb. So you've got, this is actually a 2010 Dodge Caliber. You've got these little pop out pieces here, tabs. Got one out already, I'll show you. Pop that. You put the screwdriver in and pry it out. See, just pops right out of there. But they've got these little, it shows you kind of like on the edge that they're pop out type, but you just pop those out like this. You have to just kind of pry at it and it'll eventually come out. Once you get that out, this piece pops out as well. See that? Right there. Ta-da! So the middle piece, the first piece that came out, kind of spreads this open and anchors it in there. So get both of them out and then I'll show you what's next. I've got both of those tabs removed and the little anchor pieces, and you just kind of have to grab this on both sides and start shaking it around until you'll pull it straight out. So I need both of my hands here to do this, so I'll show you after I get it off what it looks like. So got the top part loose, you can see in there how it's held in right there. If I can zoom in on it, may not be able to. And then I got to get the bottom part. There's a top and bottom that hold it in. Right. Took a little effort, but I eventually got it out. You can see now where those pieces fit together. There's a top piece, the round head on it that fits into that spot right there, and then the bottom one fits into that one right there, into there. So now once it's loose, you have access to the bulbs, and I'll show you how to do that. You can tell we've been in Arizona quite a bit, yeah, through the lifetime of this car, all this dust that's in here. Arizona and other places that are dusty, but mostly Arizona. So I'm going to put this on pause. Hang on. Okay, put the key in, because your blinkers will not work. Your turn signals will not flash without the key in, and turned it to the accessory mode. There's the right signal. I'm going to go flip it to the left signal. And as you can see, it's not working. I'll show you what it was doing inside the car. That's your normal signal when the bulb is working just fine. Now my left signal, there we go, starts doing the rapid flash. And I believe it does like a beep as well, or it seems like it did before. But I'm going to go ahead and change that bulb, show you how to do that. Got one a while back. They come in pairs. You can flip it over on the Napa package anyway, and it tells you what size you need. Volts, watts, amps right there. 12.8 volt, 26.9 watts, 2.10 amps, such and such. There's the part number, but this is the Napa. All different brands are going to have their own part number on their packaging. Long life miniature lamps. Okay, so that's a new one right there. Here's the old one. It was the other Napa. So since I replaced this, I don't think I've replaced the other one that was on this one. Can't remember for sure. Well, no, there's no way, because like this is probably from this package. So that tells us that this other bulb, if I would have replaced this one since this one's been replaced, you know, this bulb would not be here, it would be there. So 2 bulbs, 1 lamp, 1 light right here. Keeps burning out. I don't. It's been since I don't know when since I changed this out, but it's been a little while because I definitely it wasn't recent. So here I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and put it in, show you how it goes in. It just push it. You just push it straight in, and I'll show you. Got the camera on selfie mode. Hopefully I have it centered in the picture. So here's the turn signal bulb, the top one. Your bottom one is your brake light. So you turn it, there you go, pops right out. You can see it, yeah, right there. Got the light back on it now. So you can see it's a dark bulb. It is burned out. This camera just doesn't want to focus very well. You can see the filament wire in there, I believe, has separated. It's hard for me to tell in the light. That was just some dust on it. Oh well, so I'm going to change this out and put the new one in. I'll show you the new one here. So here we are. This type of bulb has the wires that are exposed on both sides. They're kind of wrapped around and they go into the plastic. So these connections, it's not really going to matter either way which way you put it in inside here. I'm not going to be able to do this with holding the camera and doing it, but you just plug it straight in there. You can see the contacts inside. So I'll do that real quick. So it went straight in, and there it is. It's very easy to pull it straight out and put it right back in. I'm gonna give it a test now. I'll put it back in here. It's real simple. Find the right, you got these little notches that line up right there with the openings like that. Push it in flat and you'll feel it kind of get tight with some resistance, and there you go. These wires will face inward this way. And then I'm going to put the light back on, or the cover, the lights, and fasten everything back up and test it out. So popping these back in is very simple. Those just slide in, that little piece. Very simple process, and then this just slides back in. Hardly any effort at all, and you're done. Got that one put in as well. You just kind of look at it, make sure it's on there even, which it is, and then you make sure it works. So I'll actually test it out before I button everything back up here. Let's go turn the key. Key in here, turn it on, flip this. There we go. It's working like it should. Thanks for watching this video, and watch for more valuable information on the 6-String Steve RV Nomad channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.